Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your line spacing in your Mailchimp emails. So first off, let's start from the home screen here, and you want to click on this pencil icon to create a new template. So let's click it, create. After that, you can pick either a regular email or an automation. I'm going to do a design email, so it's just a normal run-of-the-mill email. Now you can do this from scratch, or you can get a basic layout. There is a fully designed template, but this is a premium feature. So I'm just going to do basic layout. On basic layout, I'm going to do this one, minimal. Now, as you can see here, the text here, if you want to adjust the line spacing, you just click on it, and then there will be a mirage of option here that appears. It'll just be like Microsoft Words. I'm sure you've used that before. And the way you can adjust the line spacing is this one, letter spacing, or line height. So it's not called line spacing, but it's basically the same thing, right? So there's 1.25 here, for example, and there's also a single, a double. There's also, you can adjust it manually like this. You can go as high as you want. I can even make it 100 if I like, although I'm not sure why you want to do that. It maxes out at 50. Anything more than that will be a bit ridiculous. There is also letter spacing here, for example, where you can adjust the spaces of the letter, just like this. Although at 13 it becomes kind of hard to read. There's also other settings you can try out, like alignment, left aligned, right aligned, or you can do justify. I'm going to show you now how to do this with the run-of-the-mill basic email. So create regular email, and then let's do it from scratch. Now from scratch, you'll see it'll look like this, right? And to adjust the line heading, we need to first add a paragraph. So I'm going to add a paragraph like this, and I'm going to do example like this, and I'm going to copy and paste it punch, and same thing, it's just line height like this, right? There is spaces here. Hold on, let me delete these. There you go. Now you can adjust the line height again, double, or you can adjust it manually like this. Same thing. You can adjust the line spacing here, but the cursor you're on is the one that get adjusted. So I can make one really tight like that, while I can make one really spaced out like that. If you want to adjust all at the same time, just select all and then do this. There you go.